What is the role of Alaskan Malamutes in native cultures? Alaskan Malamutes are not just beautiful and powerful sled dogs, they have deep historical and cultural significance in native cultures of Alaska. These majestic creatures have been invaluable companions to native people for centuries. In this video, we will explore the rich history and the important role that Alaskan Malamutes have played in native cultures. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand the context in which Alaskan Malamutes have thrived. Native cultures in Alaska have a strong connection to the land and the harsh Arctic environment. Living in extreme cold conditions, they have developed a deep understanding and appreciation for the natural world around them. Alaskan Malamutes have been an integral part of this lifestyle. Malamutes were primarily used as sled dogs by native tribes for transportation, hunting, and trapping. These dogs were expertly trained to navigate through treacherous terrains and pull heavy loads. Their strength, endurance, and ability to withstand freezing temperatures made them the perfect companions for these tasks. They were instrumental in providing mobility and access to remote areas, allowing native people to travel long distances and gather vital resources for survival. The bond between the Malamutes and their owners was incredibly strong, and they relied on each other for their mutual survival. Aside from their practical role in transportation, Malamutes were also essential for hunting and trapping. Native cultures heavily relied on the abundance of wildlife in Alaska for sustenance. Malamutes were skilled hunters and were used to track down prey such as seals, polar bears, and various other game animals. Their superior sense of smell and agility made them invaluable assets in capturing food for the community. The role of Alaskan Malamutes extended beyond their practical uses. They were also revered as spiritual beings in native cultures. Many tribes believed that these dogs possessed spiritual powers and were connected to the supernatural world. They were seen as guardians and protectors, guiding their owners through the harsh Arctic landscapes. Various rituals and ceremonies were dedicated to these significant creatures, paying homage to their spiritual presence. The bond between the Malamutes and the native people was seen as sacred and transcended the boundaries of the physical world. Unfortunately, with the increasing dominance of modern technology and the changing lifestyles, the role of Alaskan Malamutes has significantly diminished in native cultures. Today, snowmobiles and other vehicles have replaced traditional dog sleds, making Alaskan Malamutes less relevant in terms of transportation. However, efforts are being made to preserve their cultural significance and the unique breed traits. Organizations and individuals are actively involved in the preservation of native traditions and are working to keep the connection between Alaskan Malamutes and the indigenous cultures alive. In conclusion, Alaskan Malamutes have played a vital role in native cultures of Alaska for centuries. These magnificent sled dogs have been instrumental in transportation, hunting, and trapping, providing the native people with mobility and access to resources in the unforgiving Arctic landscapes. Moreover, they were revered as spiritual beings and guardians, forging a deep bond with their owners. While their practical role has diminished with the advent of modern technology, efforts are being made to preserve their cultural significance and ensure their place in the native cultures of Alaska. Alaskan Malamutes not only represent a breed of dogs, but also symbolize the rich history and traditions of indigenous communities.